the first thing that I want to do is make this tea. So this tea is with citrus and ginger, onions, garlic, and I think there was bay leaf and cinnamon in it. So I'm gonna make a little pot. I'm gonna make a little pot of that and drink it and see if I taste any of that. It's something that one of my coworkers found and was like, hey, you should try this. So we'll make a little pot right now and see if it works at all. I don't have a recipe for it. I'm just gonna wing it because I can't taste it anyways. So I'm just gonna wing it. I'm gonna use like 1 lime, 1 lemon, a cinnamon stick, maybe 2 or 3 bay leaves, a couple cloves of garlic, and some onion. Throw it all in there. Fill this pot with some water and then just see how it does. Yeah, no taste. I can't taste anything because spider bite. Spider bite. Spider bite. It took all of my senses, just with taste and some smell. But then the smell, it came back. Oh yeah, I got hit with spider bite. Before, I could actually taste the sriracha. Sriracha was one of the only things in my food that I could taste. And now it doesn't seem to be like that. It is a little scary. Because I keep thinking, what is this gonna do to my career? And that's a scary thought because this is what I went to school to do. This is everything that I've known. This is what I've been doing for the last 14, almost 15 years now. So where would I go from here if I can't even taste anything? How can I try to teach people when I can't taste what I've made? Like, I can't correct my seasoning. I can't get those flavor profiles that I want. I can't get the combinations to taste exactly how I want it because I can't taste anything. We'll take a stick of cinnamon. We'll get some garlic and some bay leaf, and then I think we'll skip the onion. It's tiny cleaver. It's a kiwi knife. I thought I had a link to it. I used to when they had Amazon links on here, but they don't have it anymore. But it's a kiwi knife. You can find it on Amazon. This is the 3-inch knife. A lot of people have said it's a cheese knife. It's a tiny cleaver, and it will always forever be a tiny cleaver to me. Makes me feel like a giant. Everybody likes the tiny cleaver. I like it because it makes me feel like a giant. Tiny cleaver. Look, it's the width of the pot. It actually fits on the pot. It's very... Just pour it into my cilantro mug. Is that you? Now you're gonna make me always second guess my poo voice. Okay, let's see. Okay, I can smell it. I vaguely smell the cinnamon. I don't want this hot though. It's gonna be hot. Okay, let's try this. Wow. For a split second, I can taste it. And then it's bitter. For a split second, I do taste it. The citrus, the bay leaves, a hint of the cinnamon. I don't get any of the garlic, but I do get a... It's very brief, but I do taste this. So maybe this works. Crap, I forgot the ginger. That's what's missing. I forgot the ginger. I mean, there's still some in there. I could add some ginger to it and then make a new batch. But I can for a very brief second taste this. And it's disgusting.